Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode in the YouTube app. So this tutorial should work on any Android or iPhone, and it'll give you access to watch any YouTube videos that have been restricted because it's turned on. So to get started, in the YouTube app, all you need to do is select the little avatar in the top right. So we'll open up the account menu. Go ahead and scroll down in account until you see settings and select settings. Once the settings open, select General. All we're going to do is scroll down and then you'll see restricted mode. The toggle will be on. Go ahead and turn it off. Once you've done that, you've turned off restricted mode. You don't have to save anything or anything like that. All we need to do is just back out, go back to the YouTube app, and then refresh it, and you should have restricted mode turned off. If there's any content still being restricted, I recommend either restarting your phone or closing the YouTube app and then reopening it. So that's how you turn off YouTube restricted mode on your Android or iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.